Alright, so now I'm going to show you how I personally consume the broccoli sprouts that I sprout myself. So I'm going to walk you through the steps. So first, I actually freeze the broccoli sprouts that I sprout so that I can consume it over the course of, period of time, maybe next few days, or if we don't take it so consistently. So this is forgiving in the sense that I can preserve them to consume this broccoli sprouts at a later time, which is great. I like this form of consuming this. And another advantage of consuming frozen broccoli sprouts is that the fact that they are frozen means that inside each of the sprouts, the water inside it crystallizes, and also by doing that, it actually pierces the cell walls of each sprout. So that means that the consumption of this sprout is highly efficient because you don't have to chew it that much then, because for maximum absorption you need to chew it until it's thoroughly chewed. But when you freeze it, the crystallization of the sprouts actually pierce the cell structure, so it's like being auto chewed beforehand. So it enhances the absorption profile of the sprouts. So it is good. It is positive in many ways, freezing these sprouts. Okay, so besides preparing all this, for me, you can use a cup, but I prefer small bowl. Then sprouts, bowl, spoon, and any oil will do, but MCT oil has its benefits. So I will also show another thing that needs to be prepared, and that thing is this. So this is the mustard seeds. So I put the mustard seeds in a pepper grinder so I can grind it for maximum absorption. So I grind the seeds, consume it with the sprouts. So yeah, there you go. So this is the sprouts for the precursor, and this is the mustard seed for myrosinase, and the MCT oil or any oil with it's because like the sulforaphane from the sprouts, it's lipophilic, so it's easily absorbed with the presence of oil compounds. So that's why you prepare oil compound. But of course, like, if you just had a heavy meal, that might do as well. Just that with MCT oil, I read that it will straight shoot into your liver. So yeah, I like the sound of that. So let's take it with MCT oil. This is for me, but I think you can just have an oil of your choice. Okay, so alright, so the glucoraphanin in the sprouts is a precursor which combines with myrosinase. Actually, it has its own myrosinase as well, but having this is a double, like an insurance, to make sure that it has enough presence still, because inside the sprouts they have the glucoraphanin, and it also has a form of anti-nutrient. It's called ESP. So yes, ESP and myrosinase. What we're going to do is we want to remove the ESP by heating it up. So that's why we have a kettle of hot water here that was just boiled. So the heat, if it's about 70 degrees, we actually deactivate the ESP, and it allows the myrosinase and the glucoraphanin within the sprouts to combine and produce the active sulforaphane that we want. Because if the glucoraphanin in the sprouts combines with the ESP, it becomes an inactive sulforaphane, which we don't want. It's not what we want, because it does not give any effect. So this is how we circumnavigate the downside of the ESP by neutralizing it with heat. The glucoraphanin is not heat sensitive, or at least 70 degrees won't do much to it, and the myrosinase is also heat stable. I read that you can actually heat it up to 100 degrees for a short period. It's fine, but as an insurance, we got extra myrosinase, to give the boost and to be an insurance. So I'm gonna get on to showing you how I prepare it. You can do it your way, but this is my way and I find it convenient, so I'm gonna show it to you right now. Okay, so usually I take about a tablespoonful. Actually, for me, when I consume this, my stomach do get sensitive when I eat this, so I think it's better to eat this with food. So yeah, you can keep that in mind. It's quite it's a little bit spicy. I'm not sure how to describe this well, but let's just use the word spicy. It's a bit spicy, so yeah, maybe it's not for everyone as a stable diet. And but this is considered as making your own supplement, so you can consider it as a supplementation for health goals. So I got a tablespoon of broccoli sprouts here. I'm gonna give you a close up so you can see it very nice. All right, I'm gonna do a close up. Okay, now I'm gonna put the hot water. So I put roughly 2/3. So like one part like the sprouts, then 2/3 is the hot water. So this should yield about 70 degrees. It's not exact. I'm not like being super exact here, I understand, but I don't want to heat up my Thermomix up to 70 degrees, then put the Thermomix 70 degrees water into this. I mean, you can do it if you want, but I prefer to just wing it like this. Okay, alright, so I'm gonna leave it here like this for about 10 minutes, but it's hot anyway, so I'm not gonna consume it right now because it's hot. Then I'm gonna put a spoon here, right? Then I'm gonna put the grinded mustard seeds on the spoon. So when I consume it, I'll eat the mustard seeds. Then I'll drink this whole broccoli sprout tea with the broccoli sprouts. I'm gonna eat and drink this thing here. So I eat it first, eat the grinded mustard seed first, then I'm gonna drink and eat the sprouts. Okay, after I do that, I'll consume the MCT oil. Yeah, so that's my workflow when it comes to this. I'm gonna show you how I grind the mustard seeds. So this is how it looks like after it's grinded. So grind. So I read that if you simply have 1 gram of it grind up, actually it enhances it about, if I'm not mistaken, I need to refer it back, but I think it's 4 to 10 times or more. So it's a very significant boost with just having this extra step of adding myrosinase on top of the regular. So it ensures like full absorption. So yeah, there you go. Grind it up. Make sure there's enough. I think that's about 1 gram, I guess. But it looks enough. This is the amount I consume at least. So you can consume more if you can tolerate more of this. But yeah, there you go. So I will eat this. Then I will drink and eat this. Then I will take the MCT oil. Alright? Yeah. This is how I do it. You can do the same if this fits your preference. And yeah. Alright, thank you so much everyone for joining by. And if you like this video, if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. Before you leave, I would like to let you know that the Lord Jesus Christ, He loves all of you and He is a healer. So I would encourage you to reach out to the Lord Jesus Christ, because by the stripes on His body, you are all healed from head to toe. and all your sickness and diseases has been carried away by him, and all your griefs and sorrows has been removed by the Lord Jesus Christ. And besides that, he also, equally important, he also offers salvation. Okay, salvation is given by him on the cross. So I would like to encourage you to reach out to him, open your heart to him. And thank you so much, everyone, for joining by again. So see you guys next time. Bye. God bless. See you.